Good morning! Welcome to the program Cooking with Maribel. Today, I'm going to prepare a delicious dessert for this Christmas. How to make buñuelos. The ingredients are 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt, and baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Finally, you need a half liter of oil. The ingredients for prepare the honey. You need 2 cups of water depending of the amount of people. Vanilla, 1 stick of cinnamon, cloves, and 1 lemon. In a large bowl, you must sieve the flour, the sugar, the salt, and baking powder. Then add the milk, 2 eggs, and mix until get an homogeneous and creamy dough. Later, you add essence of vanilla for touch a sweet flavor. You can use other flavor essence. Aside, heat up a pot with oil. You mustn't fry the buñuelos if the oil isn't hot. When the oil is very hot, you put the preparation with the help for the ladle. Fry the buñuelos until cooking they have a golden brown color on one side and on the other for about 2 or 3 minutes maximum. Honey preparation. You put the water on the pot and waiting for 10 minutes. Then you have to add the panela the cinnamon and cloves. Mix all the ingredients together until you get a sweet flavor. Finally, you must squeeze the lemon and mix everything. This is result. You should serve the buñuelos with a piece of cheese or honey. Enjoy the holidays. Happy Merry Christmas!